Fiat 124 Spider mechanics in my area. Fiat Automobiles is an Italian automobile manufacturer, formerly part of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, and since 2021 a subsidiary of Stellantis through Italian factory FCA Italy. The 2018 Fiat 124 Spider is a compact convertible sports car that combines Italian styling with a fun-to-drive nature. It pays homage to the classic Fiat 124 Spider of the 1960s. Here are some of the key features and specifications of the 2018 Fiat 124 Spider. Servicing a Fiat 124 Spider involves routine maintenance tasks to ensure the vehicle's optimal performance, reliability, and longevity, while specific service schedules can vary based on factors such as model year, mileage, and driving conditions. Here are general guidelines for Fiat 124 Spider service. Regular oil changes. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter at regular intervals. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of oil and the service interval. Check and replace air filters. Inspect and replace the engine air filter regularly to ensure proper airflow to the engine. The cabin air filter, if applicable, should also be checked and replaced as needed. Brake system maintenance. Inspect the brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid regularly. Replace brake components that show signs of wear or damage. Brake fluid may need to be flushed and replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Tire rotation and alignment. Rotate the tires at recommended intervals to ensure even tire wear. Check and adjust the wheel alignment as needed. Inspection of suspension components. Regularly inspect suspension components, including shocks and struts, for signs of wear or damage. Replace components as necessary. Fluid checks and top-ups. Check and top up fluid levels, including coolant, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Battery maintenance. Inspect the battery for corrosion and ensure secure connections. Test the battery's condition and replace it if needed. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals to maintain efficient combustion in the engine. Timing belt or chain replacement. If applicable, adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations regarding the replacement of the timing belt or chain. Check lights and electrical components. Regularly check the operation of headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and other electrical components. Replace bulbs as needed. Inspection of belts and hoses. Inspect drive belts and hoses for wear, cracks, or leaks. Replace any components showing signs of deterioration. Regular inspections. Perform routine inspections of the vehicle's overall condition, including the exhaust system, steering components, and fuel system. Software updates. Keep the vehicle's software up to date by applying any available updates or recalls provided by the manufacturer. It's important to follow the maintenance schedule outlined in the Fiat 124 Spider Owner's Manual for specific recommendations tailored to your vehicle. Additionally, for more complex repairs or diagnostics, consider seeking assistance from authorized Fiat service centers or qualified automotive technicians.